Good morning, Berthold Bombers.
Today is Friday, May 11th.
Welcome to the Bomber Blitz.
It's currently 43 degrees. The high is 56 with a low of 38. It's really cloudy and really cold. Really cold.
Stoplights turn red. Well, you would too if you had to change in the middle of the road. What did the left eye say to the right eye? Something smells in between us. What did the mama coffee bean say to the baby coffee bean? You're grounded. Why do stoplights turn red? Well, you would too if you had to change.
For our first DIY phone case, this is what you need. A couple toothpicks, a bowl, a clear phone case, and some nail polish. Now add the colors into the bowl of water. If you want, you can make a design with your toothpick. Now dip your phone case into the water. If you want to make a watermelon phone case, this is what you need. Nail polish, a clear phone case, and a nail tool. First, take some pink or red nail polish and make into a slice of watermelon. Some green nail polish and outline the outside of your watermelon.
Take some nail polish and add 2 eyes. Make sure you add a face and some pink cheeks too.
Take some black nail polish and add some seeds to your watermelon.
Today for lunch is egg, cheese omelet, sausage, green beans, and mixed fruit.
There are no school birthdays, but it is National Eat What You Want Day.
Face Spring Community Service Day will be held on May 12th at 8 a.m. for breakfast at the cafe. There will be donuts and caramel rolls and an 8:30 start time. Teams will be put together that morning, so don't be late. The greenhouse is now open Wednesday from 1:30 to 4 and Thursdays from 1:30 to 6. This is a great opportunity to get something for your mom for Mother's Day.
There is also an FFA meeting on Monday, and we are going to the Escape Point and Planet Pizza. The bus will leave from the school at 5. Our scheduled start time is 5:45. Don't be late.
The boys baseball team won their first game against Stanley yesterday 8-1, but fell short on the second. The JV girls softball team also won their first game against Ramstead yesterday 10-8. They fell short on the second game. Track results from yesterday. Tommy's really got first in the 4x1 and 4x2 and second in the 4x8. There's also varsity boys golf at Stanley all day today. And tomorrow we have a pretty busy sports day. Baseball, rugby versus rugby in Turtle Lake. They'll play rugby at noon and the Turtle Lake game will follow. Varsity track at Minot, bus leaves at 8:20, and JV softball at Burlington. The first game's at 9 versus Velva. The next one's at 3 versus MLSK, and the next one's at 4:30 versus West Hope Newburgh.
Probably being a part of the softball team for sure. When Reese got hit in the face by Michelle and got a bloody nose. Definitely meeting new people.
I will be attending Minot State in the fall, and I'm going to become an elementary education teacher.
My favorite memory with Laura is probably any time that we were in physics together. And my favorite quality is that she just makes me laugh about literally anything.
I am going to miss her contagious laughter. Just if Laura's laughing, everybody's laughing.
Laura is a very hard worker, and I so much enjoy having her as my EIE this year. My favorite memory is when she was very, very little. Laura got in with us and started doing the chubby, the whole spiel about my mom's name is Chubby, my dad's name is Chubby. and that, she doesn't remember it, but it was hilarious.
This has been the Bomber Blitz. Thanks for watching.
There are 9 days of school left.
Fly high, Bombers.